not time for that yet. We have to work out. See, hitting a little bit of chest, a little bit of back. Post cardio too. It's freezing. Today was one of those days where didn't want to do this, but to make things a little bit easier, a little more rewarding when it's time to, jump on the sticks. We've kicked ass, so run, done. Vitamin D, done. Do something hard, done. As in do something like uncomfortable, getting out there in the cold early, don't want to do it. And now our lift, and then we're gonna eat good, be on our diet, and later tonight we might jump on the sticks. That's kind of how I roll, so. Alright guys, woke up not feeling the hottest today, didn't want to go on my run, didn't want to work out, but I knew that I was going to feel a lot better if I did. 30-minute run, 45-minute just pump sesh, literally chest, and then back. And that's it. Literally keeping it simple even on the days we don't feel the best, we don't feel the greatest. Now, could I have done a lot better? Yes. Did I still kind of push myself and knock it out? Yes. So that makes all the other things, hobby things that we enjoy, that much better. We earned them. We don't feel guilty. I know Xbox and just video games in general is such a big, no topic. And I feel like a lot of people really do benefit from them considering the bad rap they have. Bad rap in terms of you're lazy if you play video games, you have no life, you're a nerd. As long as you benefit from it and you have it in check, then it's totally fine. For me, I suck at video games and yet I still enjoy them. I like to jump on and socialize with my friends, talk a little crap, and that's kind of my outlook on it, guys. So we've conquered the beginning portion of the day. Next is work and all the other miscellaneous things, and then we can finally jump on the sticks. Now, in the meantime, I might actually turn it on just to do a couple things. Alright guys, so really quickly, I wanted to show you the fix to my issue of connectivity on the Xbox Series S. So as you guys can see here, Xbox Series S down here, freaking Mr. Bubbles screwing up my kill death ratio. Excuse me, Mr. Rolls, I'll leave that right back. But I wanted to kind of show you guys what I did to fix this connectivity issue. Last time we picked up talking about the Xbox, I told you guys that the biggest issue that I was having was the stinking Xbox not wanting to connect to my internet, even though my internet was perfectly fine, and it's honestly stopped me from playing a few times. And someone in the comments actually hooked it up with a solution. So today I'm gonna be telling you guys what that solution is really quickly. Super quick fix. I know a lot of people have had this issue and it's make or break. This was just a temporary issue. I haven't had it since, but I'm hoping that this is a permanent fix. There is another solution and it's a whole lot less of a workaround, but I haven't tried it yet. Hopefully I don't have to try it. So let me show you guys what it is. All right. So basically the solution was to completely factory reset the Xbox, completely wipe everything out. And I don't mean wipe all the games off. It just was like a factory reset while keeping the games still on internal, still on external, which is an awesome solution. Don't have to reload anything. It did take a little bit, but something that if it fixes my connectivity issues and lets me get back online, I'm willing to do, and I did it, and it hasn't freaking let me down since. I haven't had any issues since, and it's been almost like 2 weeks. I want to say exactly 2 weeks, because on my last video, 2 weeks ago, as you guys can see, your boy is getting consistent every 2 weeks, baby, and that's why I'm putting this video up today. I'm gonna be super busy. I've had non-stop stuff. I have barely been able to do any of my hobby stuff, such as mountain bike, dirt bike ride. I was able to get out and shoot my bow last weekend, but man, I've barely had any time to do anything. And honestly, what I have been doing is, as you guys can see here, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, baby. I've been getting down on that again. It took me like 45 minutes to get in the... It took me like 45 minutes to get the hang of things on how things work, but I've been having a blast on it. Also been watching Lord of the Rings. I believe the show is called The Rings of Power. Absolutely sick. That inspired me to start watching this, or to start playing this. I've absolutely been loving it. Anyways, I digress. Just super busy lately, but I have been able to luckily jump on this Xbox. Basically, getting back to consistent uploads every 2 weeks, which I'm making a strong effort to do. And honestly, I've just been having life go on nonstop lately, which is a good thing. You know, no complaints there. But I haven't been able to do my normal things that I normally do, you know, my hobby things. I was able to luckily shoot my bow last weekend, which was awesome and super refreshing. I definitely needed that. I've been wanting to shoot, you know, shoot content, shoot a video for you guys, but I just didn't have any like crazy elaborate, you know, video planned for you guys. So this is more of a vlog style video for you guys. I hope you like it. If you guys want more of these style videos, let me know. I'm happy to make these because I enjoy making these types of videos. I'm pumping out this video for you guys so I can stay on my every 2 week upload game, tech and lifestyle, whatever it is. I'm gonna be uploading a video for you guys. And as you guys can see, I literally leave town for a week tomorrow, which is Sunday. And I needed to get a video out for you guys, so keeping my word to you guys. Anyways, let's get back to it. Assassin's Creed Valhalla, as you guys can see, no issues here. Now let me boot up another game here, which is probably gonna need internet connectivity and internet service. So let's see what we got here. Let's see, Battlefield, I believe I have it loaded. Now, I am connected to the internet. I just do not have Xbox Game Pass currently. We will talk about Game Pass in another video. That is for a different time, but as you guys can see, I'm online. No, you know, not connected to the internet issues here or anything like that. You guys probably will see this notification saying that I need to be connected to the internet or I need to be connected to Microsoft Game Pass, which I don't have. So as you guys can see, sign up for Game Pass. Now I'm gonna be 110% transparent with you guys. They're asking for $20 freaking for stuff that I haven't been using lately. I just didn't pay it and I haven't been renewing my subscription lately unless it was a month that I was gonna be playing heavily online, which Black Ops 6 when it came out, heavily online with my buddies playing zombies. I don't believe Warzone you need actually yeah, you do need Game Pass for Warzone. Anyways, I've been having a blast playing non-Game Pass, you know, games that I, you know, paid $70 at the time for this Valhalla game. So definitely getting my money's worth there, not having to buy Game Pass, which is awesome, and just having a good time. As you guys can see there, your boy is connected to the internet. No issues, up and running, awesome. I feel like when you're not connected to the internet, you feel like you're literally isolated and you can't do anything. You almost start to get anxiety just because of today's connected world. And it's pretty dumb, the fact that I need internet service to play a game that's on my Xbox that I paid $70 freaking for. So I shouldn't need internet, but apparently you freaking do nowadays. All right, so now for the main topic of the video. If you guys want to reset your network settings, hard to reset. It's not going to be just your network. It's going to be your whole freaking Xbox, but you guys should be good to go for a while. I haven't encountered this problem since, and it's been 2 weeks. So literally, we're going to go to settings. So start by hitting your handy middle button there. We're going to go over RB, boom, boom, boom. Go to your profile. My name's Shots G. Add me, hit me up. Let's play together. Settings. Go into settings. Can you guys see that? Probably not because it's focused on me. Anyways, we're gonna go down to the third option, which is system. You got general, account, system. 2, 3. There we go. System. And then we're gonna go over to console info. And here you're gonna see my name or reset. We're gonna click reset. Reset console. Now right here is where it gets interesting. You have 2 different options. You have reset and remove everything, or reset and keep my games and apps. I did reset and keep my games and apps. Click that, it's gonna do its thing. This second option, do not click that one. Do not click the first one. Sorry about this blurriness. I don't know what the heck to do to fix that, but it's not an Xbox issue, it's a camera issue. Hashtag I'm trying to make videos for you guys, so please forgive me on that. Hopefully you guys got the gist of it, but literally click reset and keep my games. Otherwise, if you remove everything, you're starting from scratch. You're gonna have to download everything and you're gonna have to go through the whole setup process. It's not fun. Reset and keep my games and apps literally is gonna have you sign in real quick. I believe you just jump on your phone, scan a QR code, and then it's gonna just work its magic basically. And then boom, you're good to go. Your games are gonna load up. It's gonna be like a fresh load. It's not gonna be like downloading the game all over again. It's literally just gonna take a few minutes. It's gonna load up and then boom, you're gonna be good to go. You're gonna be golden and you're gonna be freaking playing whatever game you want. So for me, the time being, It's Valhalla, baby. I've been getting down on this. I've been having a blast, so let's get some gameplay in right now. One thing that I do absolutely need, rather than turning up the volume here, is get myself a headset. The headset just gets you so immersed in the actual game. In a game like this, especially the graphics, how amazing they are, I feel like the headset would just add so much to it. I did test out the Xbox, I believe it was, I can't remember, the white one, and honestly, it felt like I was in the game. It felt immersive, so I actually might do that again, just because I just want the experience. But man, I don't know, it's like, am I gonna use it enough? Is it gonna be worth it? I don't know. You guys that have headsets, drop it in the comments. Is it worth it? Is it not? What should I do? That's probably the next purchase that I'm gonna make in terms of like the Xbox, is a headset, because I've been needing one. So the current mission that I'm on is the Raven and the Cuckoo. I'm supposed to assassinate some Earl. Kind of crazy. This game's absolutely crazy if you guys haven't tried it out, if you're not into these types of games. I'm normally not into these types of story games. It's my first Assassin's Creed, and I was just absolutely blown away and sold by it immediately, especially after getting this Xbox. I absolutely love this game. I believe this is the last story mission, even though I still have a lot to do in terms of like different places I have to conquer. But so far, this game has been awesome. I don't know how far I am in terms of progress, but I just know I'm pretty freaking deep. So yeah, that goes to show. So let's go ahead and fast travel. I don't want to like do all the horseback riding. Let me just fast travel here. Show you guys real quick what it is to like ride horses. Ooh, we got some archery. You know, as a kid, I used to have Lord of the Rings, The Twin Towers, and The Return of the King. Absolutely loved the archery in that game, especially when being Legolas and then dual wielding the swords. Being able to, have the archery in this game is pretty freaking sweet, especially now that I've gotten into, archery and shooting my bow and stuff. Pretty cool. You can call your horses pretty much like Viking GTA. How badass is that? Getting freaking chased. Sorry, I'm a freaking Viking. You think I care about Chase, buddy? Not really well. As you guys can see, this game is pretty brutal, pretty intense, pretty suspenseful, sneaking around. Oh, wasn't in focus. Sneaking around, trying to assassinate people, trying to, you know, just complete your mission in general. It's pretty sweet, guys. I highly recommend you guys give it a try. Now that I'm back online, I can actually play this game and have a blast. Even though this console does have this issue, the network issue, the storage issue, which are pretty much the two biggest issues, I think you guys should still give this a shot considering what you're gonna get. I've said this time and time again, well, mainly in the last video, that this little freaking beast of a console, can you guys see it down there? Down there, yep. This little beast of a console down here, and the output it puts out on graphics, if you have a good monitor, a good TV that plays HD stuff, or up to 1440p, it looks insane, it looks incredible, guys, and don't knock it just because of a couple hiccups here and there. The technology is still freaking amazing and powerful, and just like anything else, you have your hiccups from time to time, but nothing that you can't fix, and thankfully one of you guys helped me fix this issue. So now we're rolling, guys. Look at that, that looks freaking sick. Let's go. So I can literally only play for like maybe 45 minutes to an hour at a time. I haven't gotten crazy sweaty at this game yet in terms of like fully invested into the game. But man, just look at the freaking channel art. Look at the freaking game art on this. Look how sick that looks. Big old Viking, just freaking, it's pretty badass, guys. Anyways, guys, I know it's a little bit of a different video, but I wanted just to pump something out tech related and kind of show a little bit of a different side of my life. If you guys like this type of video, guys, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you want to see for the next upload. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I will catch you guys in the next one.